How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat step by step. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Once you open Snapchat, you'll land on the camera screen, which is the default home screen. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage settings, add friends, and check your stories. Here you'll see Public Profile button under your Bitmoji picture. Tap on it. A new screen will appear explaining what a public profile is and its benefits. People can subscribe to your profile instead of adding you as a friend. Your public stories and spotlight submissions will be visible to a larger audience. Your name will appear on Spotlight and Discover if your content is featured. And just like that, your public profile is now active. Here, you'll see options to edit your profile details. You can add a profile picture to make your profile stand out, or write a short bio to tell people about yourself. Make sure your profile reflects your personality or brand if you want to attract more subscribers. And that's it. Now you know how to create a public profile on Snapchat and start sharing your content with the world. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more Snapchat guides. Drop any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.